patio or your porch look gorgeous. Because guess what? Summer is coming. The kids are almost out of school. There are going to be many parties. You're going to be spending time outside with family and friends, and you want that place outside where you sit and hang out to be gorgeous. And there's no better way to do it than with a pot filled with gorgeous annuals. Remember, annuals will give you color all season long, and it'll give you something to look at all summer as you're outdoor enjoying yourself. Okay, so we filled this pot with some gorgeous annuals, but there's one star of the show here. This is Alstroemeria. It is a stunning annual, or actually should I say, it is considered a tender perennial. We do sell it as an annual, but guess what? At the end of the season, you could try planting it in the ground, and if you get lucky, it might come back for you. But in this case, we're using it in this container, and guess what? It actually acts as the spiller, the filler, and the thriller. This is a very dramatic plant, so we wanted to keep the other plants with it kind of subtle, because this Alstroemeria just does so much. I've added this gorgeous red fountain grass, which will get a bit taller and adds really nice texture to this pot. Also this Helichrysum, this will trail over, and this nice texture really adds to the Alstroemeria. Then of course I wanted to put one hummingbird magnet in here. This is Cuphea or Vermillionaire. It'll get a little bit bigger, and this orange just really complements the Alstroemeria. Remember, this is a full sun pot, so this entire pot loves the full summer sun. So I know that this container as a standalone looks really gorgeous, but I don't want to stop there. I'm actually going to make up a couple of other pots that will really complement this, using different flowers, different size pots, to really make your deck or your patio amazing for the summer season. So stick with us. So I planted up some more pots because I didn't want to stop at just one. Even though this beautiful container with the Alstroemeria is awesome and it would look so nice on a patio as a standalone. I really thought it would be great to show you how we can mix and match containers and plants, but how it still all complements each other and can look really stunning on your deck or outside somewhere where you're enjoying your parties for the summer. So you can see we used Alstroemeria as the star. I really fed off of the colors, these beautiful oranges and yellows in this plant, to complement it in these other containers. But for instance, I changed it up a little. I used a Dahlia in this one. We used Lantana. This is a Celosia. This is actually called Dracula, a really unique plant. But the colors in this actually kind of complements the grass here. So you can see we tied it all together. Then this one has something really different, kind of a surprise. This is an elephant ear, but this elephant ear foliage really complements the foliage of the Alstroemeria. So don't be afraid to get creative with your patio containers. These are all different sizes and shapes, but there is sort of a central theme running through them. All the pots have the same pattern, and each pot here does all have the same trailing Helichrysum coming out of it. So there is kind of a theme to tie them all together. But the main thing is, when it comes to annuals and it comes to planting up pots, get creative. Trust your gut instinct to do what you like, what's right for you and for your home. Thanks a bunch. See you next time.